In this project, we are dedicated to creating an edge-native multiplayer AR game. Our clients are Dr. Jessica Hammer from CMU and engineers from InterDigital. The project has two goals. The first goal is to create an edge-native AR game to exploit the power of edge computing. The second goal is to perform data analysis and benchmark the performance of edge computing.
So, what is edge computing? Edge computing brings computation and data storage closer to the devices where it's being gathered. Moreover, in this way, you can store confidential information on your local site to better protect your data. This is done so that data, especially when you are trying to send some real-time data, it doesn't suffer from latency issues. In our project, we use OpenPose for human body detection. It allows us to input a stream of images and output 2D coordinates of 18 key points of the body.
We had overcome a lot of related technical difficulties to implement our game. For example, we had to test and use phone's gyroscope data to create augmented reality experience. We also optimized the code and configuration to make sure our game runs smoothly on phones. Since we need a low latency and bandwidth saving system to avoid interference with the OpenPose server, we also designed our own multiplayer network system. In our design, clients will send event signals to the server, and server will broadcast the signals to clients so that clients can show related feedback. This design is simple and effective.
We have two design principles in the project. First one is to design for the naive player. So we conducted 2 playtests along the process and learned a lot from both. Second is to design for the technology. In this project, we design for specific technology and want to use design to cover some technology deficiency. For example, we applied dynamic crosshair to cover the latency issue.
So used OpenPose to do human recognition and add computational load to the game to test the ability of edge computing. Since OpenPose only gives us 2D coordinates, it's a challenge to integrate art assets well with the AR game. After trying 2D, 3D armors with different shapes, we finalized the design and used shaders and particle systems to make it cooler.
Carried out data analysis of the game and assisted InterDigital engineers to benchmark the performance of edge computing using Advantage. The results were summarized in a research paper titled Vlight, Leveraging Edge Computing for Mobile Augmented Reality. The project was a great, fruitful learning experience.